Hello students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7. In the previous video I told you about decimals in daily life. Now today I will continue with the exercise 2E. Before starting, I would suggest you all to please like and subscribe this channel so whenever I upload my next video you will get the notification. Don't forget to write your name, class and section in comment box for daily attendance. Now let's start with the exercise 2E, third numerical, sixth part. That is, here you have to multiply three decimal numbers 1.6, 7.6 and 1.9. Any two numbers you can multiply first. So I am multiplying 1.6 with 7.6. Clear? So whenever you multiply, just multiply the numbers only. Clear? And in the answer you will apply decimal. So 6 6 are 36, multiply the numbers only. 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9. So 16, first you will multiply it with 6, 96 will come. And then you have to multiply 7 with 16. So first multiply 7 with 6, 7 6 are 42. 4 7 1s are 7 plus 4 11. When you will add 6, 9 plus 2 11, 2 1. So 1216 will come. Now apply decimal. Here you can see one decimal place and here also one decimal place. So total decimal places are 2. Clear? So here from the right hand side you have to count 2 place and then put decimal. So 1 2, here you have to put decimal. Yeah. Now again multiplied with next number 1.9. So here when you will multiply 19 6 are 104, 11, 19 1s are 19 plus 11 30, 0 you have to write here and 3 carried, 19 2s are 38, 38 plus 3 41, 19 1s are 19 plus 4 23. Clear? Now count decimal places. Here 2 place of decimal and here 1 place of decimal. So total number of decimal places are 3. So here from right hand side you have to just count decimal 3 place from right hand side to left. So 1 2 3 here you have to apply decimal. So what will come? 23.104 will be the answer. Clear? Now in sixth numerical you have to simplify. So fifth part I have taken, that is 18.92 into 0.05 minus 0.64 divided by 0.8. So this numerical you have to, in this numerical you have to use BODMAS. Clear? When you will use BODMAS, according to BODMAS there is no bracket, no order. So first you have to divide. So first divide these two numbers, 0.64 divided by 0.8. So what will come? Just check. 0.64 when you will divide it by 0.8, here denominator is decimal. In that case, when denominator is decimal, then you have to convert this decimal number into whole number. So here you have to multiply multiple of 10, appropriate multiple of 10. So which number you have to multiply? Here after decimal 1 place is there, then multiplied with 10 to convert this number as whole number. So same 10 you have to multiply with numerator also. Yeah. So when you will multiply 0.8 with 10, only 8 will come. Yeah. And 0.64 into 10 is 6.4. You have to shift your decimal to the right hand side 1 place. So 6.4 will come. Now divide 6.4 by 8. So integral part first you have to divide. That integral part 6 is smaller than 8. So you will write 0. Then you have to put decimal because here decimal is coming, and then read both the numbers 64. So 8 8s are 64. Yeah, subtract, nothing will be there, so 0.8 will come. So when you will divide here, so 0.8 will come, and 18.92 into 0.05 as it is you have to write. Now multiply according to BODMAS. After division you have to multiply. So when you will multiply these two numbers, 18.92 into 0.05, what will come? 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45 plus 1 46, 4 5 8s are 40 plus 4 44, 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9, 9460 is coming. Now you have to put decimal. So count all the decimal places, 1 2 3 4. Clear? Now you have to put decimal 1 2 3 4 here. Clear? 0.9460 will come, minus 0.8. Now 0.9464, 0.8 you have to subtract, convert into like decimal, and then subtract 0. 6 minus 0 is 6, 4 minus 0 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1.0. So your answer will be 0.1460. Clear? Now in this numerical, 1.06 into 10 minus 11.2 divided by 100 plus 10 into 1.876. Here again you have to use BODMAS. According to BODMAS, first you have to divide. You have to solve these number first. So 1.06 into 10 remains same, minus when you will divide, there are two zeros, and for division you have to shift your decimal to the left hand side, to place left hand side. So your decimal will be come here. So it will be 0.112, then plus 10 into 1.876. Now multiply according to BODMAS. After division you have to multiply. When you will multiply, what will come? 1.06 into 10. So it will be 10.6. You have to shift your decimal one place to the right hand side because of multiplication, and 10 is here. Yeah, and same number 0.112 plus, again when you will multiply 1.876 with 10, so you have to shift your decimal one place to the right hand side. So shift here, so it will be 18.76. Now add these two numbers first. 18.76 plus 10.6. You can subtract also 10.6 minus 0.112 first. Any type you can do. I am adding first 18.76, 10.6, convert into like decimal, add 6, 7 plus 6 13, 8 plus 1 9, 1 plus 1 2, 29.36 will come. Then subtract 0.112. When you will subtract 0.112, convert into like decimal, 10 minus 2 8, 5 minus 1 4, 3 minus 1 2, then decimal, 9 as it is, 2 as it is. So 29.248 will be the answer. Is it clear? Now sum number 16. In that case, a milk container can hold 221 liters of milk. The milk is distributed equally among 26 households. So first, capacity of a milk container is given, and that much of milk you have to give to you have to distribute among 26 households. So distributed among 26 households, that milk distributed among 26 households. So find each household's share. So each household share will be what it will be. Here 26 households will be there, and you have to find out for each means one. For more quantity is given and you have to find for less quantity, and for less quantity first you have to divide. So here we have to divide 221 liters by 26 and then answer will come. So 26 8s are 208. When you will subtract, 13 will come. 13 is smaller than 26, so you have to put decimal. After decimal you have to increase 0. 26 when you will multiply it with 5, 26 5s are 130 will come. Subtract, nothing will be there, so answer will be 8.5 liters. That means each household share will be 8.5 liters. Clear? This is your answer. Now here 17th numerical, subtract giving answer in rupees. First you have to convert both the digits in rupees. This is already in rupees, so no change. This is in paisa, so you have to convert into rupees, and then you have to subtract 23.89 from this. Clear? So first convert this paisa into rupees. So you know that 1 paisa is equals to rupees 1 upon 100. So 5055 paisa is equals to 5055 upon 100. When you will divide, what will come? 2 zeros. So from right hand side you have to count 2 place and then put decimal. So what will come? 50.55. From right hand side and to the left hand side you have to just count the decimal places. So 1 2. Clear? So 1 2, here you have to put decimal. So what will come? 50.55. Now from 50.55 you have to subtract 23.89. 23.89 you have to subtract. So when you will subtract, 15 minus 9 is 6, 14 minus 8 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 2 minus 2 is 2. So 26.66 will be the answer. Clear? Here again in sum number 18, add giving answer in meters. So first you have to convert into meters and then you have to add. Here you can see 1.34 is already in meters. So here 758 is in centimeters. So first convert this into meters. You know that 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meters. So 758 centimeter is equals to 758 upon 100 meters. Clear? Now count 2 zeros, so it will be 7.58 meters. You have to apply decimal from right hand side to left. So 1 2, and here you have to place decimal. So 7.58 meters will come, and then you have to add it with 1.34 meters. When you will add, what will come? 8 plus 4 12, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, and 7 plus 1 8. 8.92 meters will be the answer. Clear? Now next is sum number 20, add giving answer in liters. Now you have to convert both the quantities into liters. Here you can see this is in milliliter and this is also in milliliters. So both the quantities you have to convert into liters and then add. And you know that 1 milliliter is equals to how much? 1 upon 1000 liters. Clear? So what about 2819 milliliters? It will be 2819 by 1000. So when you will convert, 2.819 liters will come. Clear? Similarly, you have to convert 4975 milliliters into liters. So it will be 4975 by 1000 liters. So when you will divide, 4.975 liters will come. Clear? Now add both the quantities, because here you have to add. So when you will add 9 plus 5, 4, 14. So 4 you have to write, and 1 carrot. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 here and 1 carry. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7.794 liters will be the answer. Hope it will be clear to you. Now after that I am giving you numericals from exercise 2E, same question which I have given yesterday. Question number 17, 18, 19, 20. Yesterday I have given even parts. Now I am giving you odd parts, because these 4 numericals are very important. Yeah, so each and every part you have to do in notebook. So this home task is also available in description below the video, and if any query, any doubt, then you can write in comment section. Okay, bye.